Welcome to Majdia Drawing Academy. In today's video, I've created a realistic portrait of Elon Musk using charcoal and graphite pencils. With every stroke, I've tried to capture his personality and vision. I hope you'll enjoy watching it. If you love drawing and want to learn more, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned till the end. I use the grid method to create the outline. If you want to know more about the grid method or how to draw using it, feel free to let me know in the comments. The primary and essential foundation of any portrait drawing is the outline. So, while drawing the outline, work slowly and ensure that it aligns accurately with the reference picture. Since long videos are not preferred by everyone, I've used a sped up drawing technique. However, you can slow down the video through the settings if you want to watch it in detail. Let's start with the hair. Begin with a light pencil, such as a B grade or HB pencil. Draw the hair following the direction of the waves as seen in the reference picture. In realistic portrait drawing, the basic structure plays a significant role, so try to stay true to the reference picture. After that, use a darker pencil to draw over the waves again. Now blend the waves with a blending tool. If necessary, darken further and blend again. Once the hair reaches the desired level of darkness, use an eraser to add highlights according to the flow of the hair. Here, I have used a mono zero eraser. Now let's move on to the eyes. Draw the outlines of the eyes using a darker pencil or charcoal pencil. Sketch the eyebrows and blend the strokes using a blending stump or a thin dry brush if necessary. Follow the same process for the second eye also. Shading the forehead. To smooth out the shading, you can use tissue paper or cotton. Here I have used tissue paper. Next, draw the nose slowly using a light pencil. Gradually switch to darker pencils. Blend with the help of blending stump, dry brush, or tissue paper to match the reference picture. Remember, creating a high-quality realistic portrait depends heavily on your patience. So draw slowly and carefully. For the lips, start with light shading and gradually add darker tones as needed. Provide highlights on the lips based on the reference picture. For highlights, you can use a white charcoal pencil. Here, I've used a mono zero eraser. charcoal powder to achieve a quick and effective black tone that makes the coat appear realistic. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Majdia Drawing Academy. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more tutorials like this in the future, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to stay updated. Don't forget to like the video and share your thoughts in the comments. If you have any questions related to drawing, feel free to ask in the comments and I will be happy to help.